Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. This week's idea is contrarian perspective. Contrarian perspective usually entails having a standout or controversial viewpoint on a topic. For example, should you really start a blog? Such posts have a high chance of going viral since they are a fresh alternative to other regular posts available. People usually end up clicking on these posts out of curiosity, helping you gain more comments, social shares, and backlinks. One of the other reasons why contrarian posts work so well is because controversial opinions create a ripple effect. Viewers may or may not agree with the topic, but they will still click on the heading. Controversial ideas affect people and they take an interest, clicking, reading, commenting, and often sharing, whether or not they agree. That's because it tends to hit people's emotional triggers, like surprise and anger. Ask these 4 questions to decide if a blog is worth your time. 1. Does the story/topic resonate with people? 2. Is the story one-sided? Is there apparent consensus? 3. Do you disagree with what everyone else is saying? Do you believe there's more to the story? 4. Do you have a unique perspective, something to offer that others can't or haven't yet? More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.